Let me tell you, this makeup is something that can slay with any of your desi outfit. And I am starting off with my eyes. Just adding concealer. I'm telling you, you can never go wrong with the browns when you're going for some desi outfits. First, we're packing dark brown just on the outer corner. A light brown to blend this.
And I'm also adding the light brown shade in my crease as
Take any
well.
golden shimmer. I'm taking this pinkish golden shimmer and adding it in the center. And then take any light glitter and add it in the inner corner. This is what the eye look like so far. Now, from here, I don't want you to do the eyeliner because this is a fact. Whenever we are going out, the eyeliner is the one who mess things up. Instead, what we are going to do is take an angled brush like this with some black on it. Add that very close to the lash line. Just like you usually do the eyeliner, but this one will be the smudged one, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I have prepped my base with the Embryolisse and the e.l.f., but you can use whatever moisturizer and primer you have. The affordable foundation option that I have it here that looks flawless on the face is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this one is in the shade 124 Soft Sand. This might work for you if you are shade twins. This is the only foundation that I use for all my before marriage events, and the makeup looked damn good in my photos. Use just a little bit of bronzer because the key to today's makeup look is the cool toned blush. This one is from One Size, and as you can see, she has been loved. For this one, taking some of that pink blush, get over to my cheek. It's just a beauty. Adding a bright concealer in the inner corner, just a little bit on the outer side to clean up the edges, and blend this in with the Damn Beauty Blender. The Q-tip, remove any excess concealer that has settled down into your crease, and blend it one more time, and set it with any setting powder. I'm using the powder from Huda Beauty. Now using the One Size powder blush. Put it on the tip of the nose. I'm adding an MK Beauty setting spray all over my face. Just adding brown in my lower eyelashes. This might be a very small step, but look at the difference it makes. So don't skip it. I know you really want to do that brown lip combo, but not today. We are going more towards the pinkish nude color. Starting off with lining my lips with Makeup by Mario. Lipstick that I'm using is from Maybelline in the shade More Buff, and topping it off with a clear gloss. And this is the final glam.